You thought Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide would be better than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 for photography? Hold your wallets back, because the latest leak suggests it'll be significantly worse. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to have just 2 rear cameras rather than the 3 like the Z Fold 8, with the main wide camera even worse. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide will just have a 50-megapixel main camera, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 8 has a 200-megapixel one. They said Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide's 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera will likely be a match for the Galaxy Z Fold 8s and better than the 12-megapixel one used by Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. But if this claim's accurate, then its zoom skills probably won't be up to much, since it won't have either a dedicated telephoto camera or a big enough main sensor for a decent crop zoom. This phone sounds closer to the Galaxy Z Flip 8 in terms of camera hardware, which is rumored to also have a 50-megapixel main sensor by a weaker 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Samsung fans aren't happy about this rumor, which people said they have removed it from their wish list and describing the upcoming phone as another extremely overpriced Samsung device with outdated mid-range cameras. Still, there's some good news, because the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide will have a 4,800 mAh battery, and the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 will have a 5,000 mAh, both of which would be up on the 4,400 mAh battery inside the Galaxy Z Fold 7. We'll probably find out how accurate any of this is in July, when these phones are likely to launch. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.